Putting your Pixel phone on mute or vibrate is easy, but the switch is a little bit hidden. You'll first use the physical volume buttons to change the volume. Click it up or down, doesn't matter. When changing the volume, look for that volume slider on the right side of your screen. On the very top, you'll see a little icon that allows you to switch between sound on, mute, and vibration. Sound on is the speaker icon on the bottom. Speaker with a strike-through is fully muted, so you'll hear no sound and no vibration. And the phone icon with tiny lines on the sides indicates vibrate, which gives you no sound, just haptics. And since we're talking about silencing your phone, there's a pretty cool feature that allows you to silence your phone by putting it down with the display facing down. To turn this on, we'll go to Settings, and then navigate to the System menu. From there, we'll go to Gestures, and look for this option here. This will silence your notifications when the phone is placed face down. When you put the phone down, you'll feel a subtle vibration indicating that the feature was triggered successfully. And likewise, you'll feel a little vibration when you pick up your phone, telling you that notifications are now back to normal. Anyways, that's how you silence your Pixel phone. Make sure to click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.